Hello children, today we will start with the next module on the topic demographic conditions. Democratic conditions during British period. The study of population based on factors such as age, race and gender is called demographic conditions. Demo means people and graphy means description or measurement. Demographic conditions exhibits all features of a stagnant and backward economy during British rule. It describes the following, that is high birth rate and high death rate during British rule, extremely low literacy rate, poor health facilities, infant mortality rate, life expectancy, that is low life expectancy, and widespread poverty. We are going to do all these 6 factors one by one, or 6 features one by one. The first one is high birth rate and high death rate. Birth rate means number of children born per 1,000 population, and death rate means number of people dying per 1,000 population. The birth rate was 48 per 1,000 and death rate was 40 per 1,000. So there was low growth rate of population during British rule. The next is extremely low literacy rate. Overall literacy rate was just 16% and female literacy rate was just 7%. Literate means a person who is 7 years and above and can read and write any language with understanding. That person is a literate. Literacy rate means number of literate or percentage of people who can read and write. So during British rule, the literacy rate was very, very low. That is just 16%, whereas the female literacy was just 7%. This was also one of the reasons of low economic growth during British rule. Now we move on to the next feature, that is poor health facilities. Public health facilities were either unavailable to large mass of population or when available were highly inadequate. As a result, water and airborne diseases were widespread and took large toll on life. And this is also one of the reasons why we had low growth rate of population during British rule. Next, the fourth feature is high infant mortality rate. It refers to the number of infants dying before reaching 1 year of age per 1,000 live births in a year, and it was 218 per 1,000. It was very, very high. So this also indicates that the demographic conditions of a country was very poor. Then the fifth is low life expectancy. It refers to the average number of years for which people are expected to live. It was very low, that is 32 years in contrast to 65.5 years in 2011. And this was the low life expectancy was because of the poor health conditions. The government did not take any care to improve the health facilities of the people, and therefore the life expectancy was very, very low. It was poverty also one of the reasons why the people, and famines and other disasters were also one of the reasons for, they were also reasons for low life expectancy. The last feature is widespread poverty. There was no reliable data about the extent of poverty during British rule, but overall standard of living in India was very, very low. So this is all about the demographic conditions of our country during British rule. Thank you.